One of our superpowers at MRP is making small budgets look like big budgets. We work ever so hard to do that, but another way that we do it is we really know how to stretch a dollar to give you added value. One way that we maximize our clients' budgets while creating videos is to create a campaign out of a singular evergreen explainer video. A video that lives on your website, normally 60 seconds to 2 minutes, that tells people who you are. It's the one video that you'd want everyone to see to understand your brand and the problems you solve. People don't like to read, so they might watch this video, and if they watch this video, it should best encapsulate you. My favorite videos are where we ebb and flow and infuse humor into your messaging.
But how hard can junk removal be anyway?
Say you invest all that dollars in time and casting and set deck to create this video.
Plus, you'd rather save money by doing it yourself, right?
Darn right I would.
What if you just took portions of that and then you create additional commercials?
We don't just remove junk. We remove marital tension.
So you do the one shot that lays in your evergreen video, and then you alt that, put it aside, and then you go and you shoot your 30-second commercial.
Oh, yes, lovely. Oh, I do like what you've done with the place, yeah. I'm James. Your mates call me Dead Jim.
Oh.
So I highly recommend that if you're getting into video and you're trying to stretch your dollar, one added value to look at is just how can you make more with the same. It's a very simple way of maximizing your budget and getting more videos out of a single production. Give it a shot. Or give us a call. That'd be nice too.